Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What a fun little thing it is. If we don't have wings indoors, we can actually hover it really nice. Into 3D mode again. That is a little farther from the fences. Alright, one more try for fixed wing takeoff. Come on! Come on! This is really easy to control. Keep the camera on it. Zooming onto the back LED. Yeah, it looks like an afterburner. Look how amazing the altitude hold is helping. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, Alishanmao here. Today in this video we have the X420. It's a VTOL that you can take off vertically, land vertically, and you can also switch it to the fixed wing flight mode and fly it like a fixed wing. It has a differential thrust. Now, what is different between this and the previous VTOL from XK? Well, it's very simple. First thing you see, the size is smaller, okay? The motors in this one are brushed motor, but they do have a heat sink for each motor right here. They also provided the propeller guard. There is an LED here, and one of the key feature that you want to notice about this one, which makes it much more easy to fly for beginners or anyone else compared to the previous VTOL, is that this time it has the altitude hold function feature in this plane. That means once it's that means you can set the throttle to middle, press the up button, the throttle trimmer up, and it will auto take off and hold its altitude. Anytime when you're flying, if you put the throttle to the middle, it will hold its altitude. Makes it more easy for pilots to control it, even beginners to control it. All you need to do is turn around and steer it around and switch it to fixed wing mode and fly it. And once you are back to the hovering mode, you can again enjoy the altitude hold feature. So that makes it very, very easy to fly for beginners, even easier than previous VTOL. It has a 6G gyro, which you can switch to 3D mode if you want to perform aerobatics. We will see how much battery we can use today and try to, test all the features. So let's prepare it and let's get it ready, see how it goes. Right, now I'm gonna put the throttle to the middle and press the up trim. There you go. Of course the wind will push it away. If you're flying it indoors, it's gonna stay at one position. So once you put the throttle in the middle, it holds the altitude, see? And all you need to do is control it. There's a nice LED at the back, which makes it look like you have an afterburner. Alright, now I'm gonna switch to fixed wing mode. There you go. It's super easy to turn with a differential thrust. And there is no altitude hold mode while in fixed wing flight mode. So remember that. You have to control it. You can either turn it with the rudder, okay, using the differential thrust, or the ailerons. Both of them activate the differential thrust and make it turn. But when you are in 3D mode, then the ailerons will also function so that you can actually perform some aerobatics. Altitude hold really makes a difference when it comes to control. You can basically have a lot of control. With altitude hold, beginners will feel really easy to fly this one. It's very lightweight, so outdoor winds are actually really affecting. Alright, let me punch the 3D mode and see what happens. See, now we can actually do aerobatics. Oh, I didn't see that. Okay, so that was a nice crash and also was a durability test for this plane. I see we have broken one propeller. I'm not sure if it's gonna fly or not, but let's give it a try because I didn't bring the spare propellers today. Let's give it a try, see if it flies or not. Well, it's still flying. What do you know? With a broken propeller. Well, centrifugal forces basically make the broken propeller still work, so it's actually behaving really nice. I'm switching to 3D mode again, and this time I'll be careful to do kind of aerobatics and do it farther from the fences. Sweet! It's actually more stable in 3D mode compared to the previous one. The previous one I crashed a lot when in 3D mode. It was just a crash mode basically, not 3D mode. Now we're back to 6G mode and it's back to stable flight mode. Almost landed like a fixed wing. And hover mode. Sorry, was very close. It's not very easy to control because of that broken propeller. Alright, so after these flights, we basically had 2 flights to actually demonstrate everything. We also demonstrated a crash and durability test, which just happened. Basically, I didn't plan for that. So, for the conclusion, I would say it's definitely improved compared to its previous version, which was, I believe, 520. It's a smaller, that means you can fly it indoors, and with the altitude hold feature, you can have better luck flying it. Beginners will have much more fun. It surely is durable as well and much more stable even in 3D mode compared to the previous model. One thing that you want to see, let me move this landing gear the other way around so you can see it. If you zoom here, you will see there is a little kind of gimbal here. That simply means you also have an FPV version of this VTOL, of this little VTOL. Okay, that means it comes with the video transmitter and camera already installed. So all you need to do is use your FPV video goggles and you can even fly FPV with this. So definitely it's better than the previous version. Definitely a 2 thumbs up. Fun product right here. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right.